these are some examples. So we will give our next game is called sound effects. Sound effects.
接下来下一个游戏叫声音的影响。
Okay, so can we have 2 players on stage, please?
有2个演员。
One more. Okay, so these 2 players, they will do a scene with sounds made by you. Yeah.
这2个演员都会演一场戏，但是呢，我们需要2个观众来帮他们制造一些声响。
So, for example,
you guys will have to help us make some sound effects, so we'll be in the scene. And I'll say, hey, Bob, I'm trying to give you this big box, and this box fell on the ground. Ah! Okay, that's what you have to do. 你要帮我们制造声音. Okay, great. Don't touch that window behind you, it breaks easily.
砰！
Oh, my heartbeat is so loud. Don't stay away from this rat on the floor. It sings a lot. Oh, I thought you cooked. It's really scary. Oh.
yes.
All right, yes.
Yeah, so these are some examples. So we will give the microphones to 2 audience members. All you need to do is create sounds.
请问一下，他们需要上台吗？不需要，对不对？
不用
好。
不用上台。
所以不用害羞哦。
Yes, this is very easy. Just make as many sounds as.
Yes, would anyone like to raise their hand and make some sounds? Would you like to Could even have more than 2?
Yes, okay.
All right.
Okay, so can we get let's get a relationship, 一个关系 for them.
Couple.
Couple.
A couple.
情侣。
Couple.
情侣。All right.
So, for our audience members, whenever you feel like you can make sounds, they will let you know when you can make sounds also.
你们也可以，对不起，我刚才飞到了。你说什么？
所以如果我们的演员他们也会稍微的提醒你，如果要做某个声音，所以不用怕，对不对？
对，不用怕。
好 ，a couple, let's hear the story.
You left me all alone. Stop making those noises. Stop doing the dishes. It's so annoying. All those that dishwashing liquid you use, and just the sounds it makes on those plates. It's too quiet. It doesn't make any sense. This dishwashing liquid. I grew up with dishwashing liquid that made sound. 我长大的时候，洗盘子那个精都会发出声音，这个洗完机都不会发出任何声音。Oh, I prefer quiet. So, oh, yes. Do you know how angry I am at you right now?
I can only
I'm
hear.
so angry that I'm going to resort to physical violence. Oh! Why is your face so wet? Every time I hit you. What is that? Doesn't make any sense.
Oh, that's the sound of my heart breaking. I trusted you, and all you've done is yell at me and treat me like garbage. If my mother knew about this, she would open a new library. I come from
A new library?
Right, because she'd be so mad she'd have to leave.
She's opened 60 libraries already. We don't need any more libraries.
Yeah.
They're a fire hazard for our town. 每个图书馆都会有火，你知道吗？
You know why?
There's a fire right now. Every month there's a library fire.
That's why.
Oh.
That's what happens to all the people who wrong me.
Oh.
Yeah, they get buried in the reference section and then they light up in flames.
No. I got you a gift. Let me just open this creaky cabinet. I thought the cat was gone, but it's still there.
Yeah, the cat can stay.
The cat can stay?
Yes.
Would you like this?
See.